In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Dark Mode. To get started, open Airtable on your computer and log in to your account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are on the main Airtable interface where you can clearly see your workspace because that will make it easier to confirm the visual change once Dark Mode is enabled. If Airtable takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. Once you are inside Airtable, look toward the top area of the screen for your profile, icon, or account menu. This is usually where Airtable keeps personal preferences and account-related options. Click that profile icon to open the menu. Take a second to scan through the available settings, since the option you need may be labeled slightly differently depending on your version of Airtable. From that menu, look for appearance settings. In some cases, this may be called appearance, theme, or display settings. The wording can vary, but the goal is the same. You are looking for the place where Airtable lets you control how the interface looks. Click into that section once you find it. Now, inside the appearance or theme settings, look for the dark mode option. When you see it, select it. This tells Airtable that you want the interface to switch from a lighter color scheme to a darker one. Dark mode can be especially helpful if you work for long periods, prefer a softer screen appearance, or use Airtable in low light environments. After selecting dark mode, apply the changes if Airtable asks you to confirm. In some cases, the update may happen automatically as soon as you click the option. If there is a save, confirm, or apply button, go ahead and use it so the new display setting takes effect properly. Once the change has been applied, check your Airtable interface carefully. Review your workspace and make sure the darker theme is active across the main areas of the app. You should notice that the background menus and surrounding interface elements now use darker tones. This is the best time to confirm that everything looks comfortable and easy to read. If the display does not change right away, give Airtable a moment to refresh or reopen the settings and make sure dark mode was selected correctly. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Airtable, and your workspace should now feel more comfortable for everyday use.